Rootkits. Welcome to the session. In this session, we will learn about rootkits. What is a rootkit? How would you feel if someone had access to your computer without you knowing it? Unfortunately, this is possible with a rootkit. The term rootkit is a connection of the two words root and kit. It is a stealth type of malware that is designed to hide the existence of certain processes or programs on your computer from regular detection methods, so as to allow it or another malicious process privileged access to your computer. There are basically three different types of rootkits. The first type, the kernel rootkits, usually add their own code to parts of the operating system core. Whereas the second kind, the user mode rootkits, are especially targeted to Windows to start up normally during the system startup or inject into the system by a so-called dropper. The third type is MBR rootkits or bootkits. How to recognize a rootkit? Detecting rootkit-like behavior can be tedious work. When searching your system memory, monitor all ingress points for invoked processes, keeping track of imported library calls that may be hooked or redirected to other functions. How to prevent rootkits? Use updated antivirus software and firewall protection. Regularly scan your devices with a rootkit scanner and remove all detected rootkits using rootkit removal software. For example, Avast Anti-Rootkit Scanner. Rootkits in themselves are not dangerous, but their only purpose is to hide software and the traces left behind in the operating system. You can protect yourself against rootkits by using anti-rootkit software. This is about rootkits.